7 families have filed a lawsuit challenging Iowa's new school book banning law.
We told you about Senate File 496 for months now. It takes effect in January. KCCI's Ethan Humble explains why the families went to federal court saying that this challenge is needed. Ethan.
Yes, Ben, Jody, the law passed earlier this year bans books with sex acts from school libraries and requires schools to make a list of library books. It also requires schools to tell the parents if the student wants to use a nickname or pronoun different from their birth certificate. Republican lawmakers said it gives parents more control over their children's education, but just weeks before it takes effect, there is legal pushback from some of the people who have been directly impacted, the students.
Like it or not, sex and sexuality are parts of the teenage experience.
That's Puck Carlson, a high school senior in Iowa City. They are also one of 7 Iowa students involved in a lawsuit challenging Senate File 496, known by some as the book ban law, in federal court. Carlson says the removal of books sends a clear message to LGBTQ students.
Removing books that discuss queer topics or people from schools tells our queer students that they do not belong there, that they are shameful. I am not shameful.
Thomas Story is an attorney at ACLU of Iowa, one of the groups representing the students and their families. He says the law shows a lack of trust in Iowa educators.
Instead of trusting them to prepare our children for the real Iowa with its diversity of people and opinions, this law demands that they overly restrict the thoughts our children can receive and share.
Nathan Maxwell, an attorney at Lambda Legal, another representing firm, says the law disproportionately affects LGBTQ students.
The law is intended to tell LGBTQ students and their families that they are not welcome, and that LGBTQ students are themselves inappropriate in their very existence.
The lawsuit lists Governor Kim Reynolds as the primary defendant. She sent a statement in response to the filing saying, quote, "Protecting children from pornography and sexually explicit content shouldn't be controversial. The real controversy is that it exists in elementary schools. Books with graphic depictions of sex acts have absolutely no place in our schools. If these books were movies, they'd be rated R," end quote. Moms for Liberty, a conservative nonprofit group, issued a statement saying they never imagined a bill that supports and empowers parents would be controversial. The group also declined a request for interview. And the plaintiffs are asking that the law be temporarily blocked while their lawsuit goes through the courts. They hope that later the law will be declared unconstitutional and permanently blocked. Jody.